caliber R18, 6 wheels, and the 6 wheels driving or will drive your belt strap from one side to the other one on 3 tracks, like you see now. And back. Now, how to get into this beautiful construction a belt strap. Now, what I designed is this nice little beautiful system. It's a leverage clip. Then everything what this product does is it does it without effort. Open. Now in the open position, you come with the belt strap. You come in. The best way is always like going into an angle. Now it's in. And now to the leverage, you can easily close it.